Right here, and I'm mixing it up. We got a little bit of green pepper, onions, tomatoes, adobo, paprika, parsley flakes, garlic powder, salt, cilantro, sazon, all on some chicken breast, you know what I'm saying? And we got a little bit of secret cranberry juice. We got apple cider vinegar, and we got a lot of olive oil all over here, okay? You put this in the oven at 450 for about 2 hours, and it should come out nice and tender and ready to pull apart. 1 hour at 450, and then they're done. All you gotta do, spread them out. Effortlessly, they come and they just, look at that. I don't even have to pull them apart, just mush them apart, and they just, oh. And then you mix it all in. I'll do another video when I mix it. Once it's all chopped up, this pulled chicken is ready to go. No need to add anything. It's just ready to go in a sweet bun or a taco, whatever. Just eat it just like this. Sour cream. He put some sour cream, pineapple. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, mama. Go ahead, Johnson. And she got the melted cheese with the pineapple, and she put some extra tomatoes on that one. Go ahead.
Even better the second time.